Hey, how you doing, people? Welcome back. Stu is back. Get out me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything's Gucci with you. Got this 2010 Benz C300. I'm gonna show you how to do the front brakes, and on a different video, I'm gonna do the rear brakes. So stay tuned. This is what we're gonna work on. Pretty much straightforward, not that difficult. Pretty easy, if you ask me. Pretty easy for beginners too, so you can do it at home. DIY. Alright, let's get us to Ubuntu. This is not necessary that I gotta tell you what to do with the subscribe, share, like buttons. You know what I'm saying? Do your thing. And if you feel like you want to show your appreciation, there's a heart. It's called Super Thanks right below the video. No, click on it, go through it. It's gonna ask you to leave a tip. The same way when you go to a restaurant, you leave a tip. The same way, go leave the tip. All right. Pretty much it. All right, let's go. Let's get it. You see this guy right here? I'm gonna hit it with the hammer, okay? Just so I break it loose because it might be rusty. You see the conditions. Should be Gucci. This one, that bolt, I'm gonna do with a T30. Hits, torque. All right. Next, I'm gonna grab a pry bar. Put it here. Okay. That's how I'm gonna push the piston. Be careful with that, okay? And the reason why I removed the screw first is because the pads are like compressing the rotor. So in that way, the rotor doesn't move that much. Okay. See that? Now I'm gonna put this pry bar in between the rotor and the pad so I don't damage the piston and pry it. And that should be the match all the way to the back. Alright. These are gonna be 13. Probably gonna have to hold it here with a grip plier because it's gonna spin. If it doesn't, good, better for you. Let's remove the caliper now. That's how I'm gonna be holding it. 13mm. I'm gonna put the blue seal. Same size, so you don't be tripping. Caliper up, caliper off. Brake pads, sliders, Gucci. If they are not good, remove them, clean it, re-grease it. But they're good though. The bolts gonna hold the bracket come off. Rotor is gonna come off now. Woo! This one's being I don't know why you want me to do this to you, man. Rusty as hell. Me and gonna spray some brake glue, brush it. Make it look Gucci. Jane. I wouldn't go that crazy. It's what it is. I'd rather go with align that one with this guy. Oh. Pretty much. So I'm just trying to brush this. Spray some. I don't want to breathe that debris. Oh, the new brake pads come with the hardware. It's up to you if you want to put those. Alright. Some people prefer not to put the grease here because it collects the debris. You know, but that's why you do maintenance to the brakes also. It's not just replace brake pads and rotors. It's about maintenance too. Okay. So now back there. Same way you remove the brake pads. This is gonna go like this. All right. There you go. This is the best driver side. The passenger side is the one that comes with the sensor. This side you don't need it. So you could remove it if you want. Just pop it. This thing come off. It goes in like this. There's a hole for it. You just pop it up. Same way you install this one. It's like that. Same way it's like that. Pretty much. Which put the balls back. 13s. You're gonna have to hold the slider. Pretty much it.